I'm going to remove the oil seal now from this half of the crankcase, and the secret is not to touch this lip in any way. So if you can see that there, you can see the rubber seal behind. And what I've seen done before is you kind of reach in here, not touching the lip of that alloy plate, and just sort of prise the seal out. Instead of doing that, I'm going to try with just inserting a socket into here first of all. So this socket fits almost exactly in between there, without touching the lip here, which I think maybe the bearing housing, I'm not sure, but so, and then I'm gonna just tap it out gently with a hammer just to see if that will just pop out. Yeah, it's lifted, so hopefully that's going to work. Just a couple of sharp taps. That's it. That's straight out. No prying. Yeah, it was the case. The next step will be to try and remove the outer bearing rim from here. I don't know if you remember, but when I split the cases, the rollers came away here on the end of the crank flywheel, but they should have stayed inside the crankcase, so that I could have dropped those out. So, and then I still have to remove this bearing with a puller that I've got. So next job will be to apply some heat around here, and hopefully that will drop out as I apply the heat and give it a tap, or rather I should say a bang, on this wooden countertop. This may be going in the oven. Just don't think it's warm enough yet. I mean, it's hot, but I think it needs to be a lot hotter to just drop out. Okay. It's going to be perfect, this one. Famous last words. All right. Oh, that's it. Yes, excellent, 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 excellent. That's it. Yeah, anyway, so it's out. I think also it didn't have the mass that it would have had with the rollers. So that explained why it just held on so tightly, but it was in there good and proper. So anyway, that's one of the main bearings out. This one should hopefully, the other one should be a lot easier. That's this one. This one will be next. Okay. I need a new workbench as well. And now moving on to the other main bearing. I've got to watch out for these studs here when I bang it down on the bench to drop the bearing out of the casing, but I haven't heated it up yet, but hopefully this will come out a little easier. If not, again, you know, contemplate putting it in the oven. I realised on that last other half as well, I just didn't have it hot enough. But anyway, it was banging on a wooden surface, so hopefully no harm done. So we'll just start off by heating this side of the case. Yeah, I think I might just work from here. I can see easier what I've got to deal with. Okay, let's try this first of all. I don't know if it's hot enough. Yeah, it's loosened it a little, but it's not hot enough. I should be trying the Mick Hemmings spit technique, right? Where it spits in the case and see if it bubbles. Okay, try again. Yeah, that's not working. It's just not coming out. I'll just tap it just in case, but I don't think so. It's dropping out. Just needed a little persuasion, but I realise I should have heated that more. But anyway, I think that's done the trick. So that's the bearing out. Just needed a little bit of help there, and yeah, I just don't think that's hot enough. I mean, it's hot, but not that hot. You shouldn't be able to touch that, right? I think this blowtorch just doesn't get hot enough. So anyway, that's the other main bearing out. So great, very pleased with that.